online tutoring system for mathematics and statistics subject topic vectors. Group member has Nguyễn Tan Chiến Hậu, Sao Nguyễn Niswaran, Ân Wei Ho, Wu Yun Chen, and Xia An Eng. For my part is introduction. Vector refer to a geometric object that has both magnitude and direction. Vectors are usually represented as a line segment with an arrowhead. The length of the line segment can be represent the magnitude of the vector, and the direction of the vector is the direction point by the arrow. The tail of the arrow is called terminal point of the vector, and the tip of the arrow is called the terminal point of the vector. Initial point and terminal point of vector have same length and same direction. Displacement, velocity, force, momentum, magnetic moment, current density in physics are all vectors. The opposite of the concept of a vector is a scalar with magnitude but no direction. In website, we choose Maths is Fun. It shows us much knowledge about vector and it's very comprehensive. We can know about what vector is, how vector can be used, and it shows us example of vector in real life. Calculation of vector has inside the website. It uses many tables or diagrams to teach us step by step about vector. And inside the website has a vector calculator. We just need to enter magnitude and angle or x and y. It will count the dot product. On the website, it also given question for us to practice. The question given is MCQ question. After we choose the choice, it will show the question, it will show the answer correct or not, and show the step to doing.
My name is Du Jun Chen, and today I'm going to talk about the feature and functionalities of vectors. Vectors are mathematical objects that have both magnitude and direction. In the vector space, vectors can be add, subtract, and multiply by scalar numbers. These operations allow vectors to represent physical quantities such as displacement, velocity, and force. There are some of the key features and functionalities of vectors. The first one is magnitude. The magnitude of a vector represents its length or size. It can be calculated using the Pythagorean theorem. The second is direction. The direction of a vector represents the orientation of the vector in space. It can be represented using an angle of a unit vector. And the last one, addition and subtraction. Vectors can be add and subtract to find the result vector. The result vector has the same direction as the sum of the individual vectors. That's all for my part. Thank you.
Benefit: complete knowledge reserve. The website have complete knowledge about vector. It using the simplest method to teach, and it often use table, list, or picture to teach. Provide a clean and concise interface. The content of website is clear briefly. It have a Google Translate button. The button is added to facilitate the use of users from all over the world. The ingestion of link in some word is also convenient for jumping to the knowledge point for learning. Provide question and answer. Provide optional question to let people who are just learning test whether they understand vector. It will show whether the answer is correct and display the step of correct answer.
I'm Xiang En, and my part in the panel project is Challenger. In the Challenger, users can try to add a link to the video commentary. The website can make videos about practice questions to make it easy for users to remember the relevant content. After that, the website can add variable example. This can let users know more about how different practice questions and help them more easily deal with questions of different difficulty. The website also can build more versions of the different difficulty and introduce a scoring system to let users know how well they have mastered to the topic.
My name is Amoy Ho. Today I want to present about the MAP project. For my part, I will present about the design for website. Our website is MAP is Fun. This website is more like a learning site, which will make it very easy for you to get started in this chapter. This is because the website provides a lot of detailed instruction and example for you to learn from. In addition, it provides keywords so you can get to the point quickly. Finally, it provides questions so you can try out what you just learned. If you don't have the chapter you want, you can search for it. There's plenty for content here so you won't lose any chapter. I think the website should provide answer to all types of questions. This will be more convenient for the user. It provides a way for user to type in questions they want to ask and answer them. I think it can provide a step-by-step solution rather than showing the question. Thank you.
My part is next is the example 1. This is my example. If A equal to 3, 4 and B equal to 5, 7, find the C equal to A plus B. This is the answer. And B is find the modulus A, and this is the answer of the modulus A. Okay, thank you.
Now we can choose algorithm related to vectors. We choose cross product. Vector A will enter 3i, 4j, and 5k. Vector B will enter 4i plus k. It will show me the step and answer. First, it will change the question to matrix form. Vector A is I equal to 3, j equal to 4, and k equal to 5. Vector B is I equal to 4, j equal to 0, and k equal to 1. After that, it will find the determinant of 3 times 3 matrix. And I is found from row 1 and column 1. So it will leave behind a 2 times 2 matrix that is 4, 5, 0, 1. After that, negative j in row 1, column 2, so it leaves 3, 5, 4, 1. And k in row 1, column 3, so it leaves 3, 4, 4, 0. Now, it will count 2 by 2 times 2 matrix for I, j, and k. For I is 4 times 1 equal to 4, 5 times 0 equal to 0. For j is 3 times 1 equal to j, 4 times 5 equal to 20. For k is 3 times 0 equal to 0, and 4 times 4 equal to 16. After that, it will count for I, j, and k. I equal to 4 minus 0 equal to 4. J is 3 minus 20 equal to negative 17. K equal to 0 minus 16 equal to negative 16. So the answer is 4i plus 27j minus 16k.
Hello, madam. My name is Andeshan, and I would like to talk about examples of vectors. And the vectors that I have chosen, which is unit vectors. So this is the question. Find the unit vector in the direction of vector A equals to 2i, plus 3j plus k. So this is the question. So we're going to use the magnitude to find the solution first. So we're going to use magnitude of a equal to square root 2 power 2 plus 3 power 2 plus 1 power 2. So this is the following solution. Is in the square root of 4 plus 9 plus 1, which is 14. And we're going to use the next step, which is unit vectors in direction A equals to 1 over magnitude of FA times A. So this is the following step, which is A equals to 1 over 4 square root 14 in the brackets of 2i plus 3j and plus k. So the answer is the following, which is A equals to 2 square root 2 under square root 14i plus 3 under 14 square root j plus 1 under square root 14k. Thank you.
My name is Amber Hawk. Today I want to present about the math project. For my part, I will present about the Sumali4 project. Because vector is very practical, the use for vector is constantly improving around the world. The website Math is Fun we are looking for has a very complete knowledge reserve about vectors. So it is suitable for freshmen to learn. So we can learn a lot about vectors from it. But we also found that the website is not perfect. There is. The computer it provides can only calculate dark products. Not all vector-related algorithms. So we try to design what we think is not perfect. That is, when people enter the algorithms about the vectors, it will start to calculate and given the algorithm. The purpose of our design is to make it more convenient for people to use the website and learn more about vectors.